Now please see here. I already told you this key point. What is the key point which I told? Suppose for example initial ratio of milk and water is something. Something is given. For example 7:3 and initial volume is 80 liters. I took this as my first problem of today's class. Initial volume is 80 liters. Now I am taking out 24 liters of mixture. 24 liters of mixture is taken out. Now in what ratio should I take this 24 liters of mixture? The 24 liters of mixture should also be taken out in the same ratio of 7:3. That is the reason I took this as my first problem when I started this afternoon session. Now why this is useful for me right now? Now see the next question, sir. Please see the next question. Your next question is, in a mixture of 90 liters, that means there is a vessel. In that the mixture is 90 liters. Total mixture is given as 90 liters. The ratio of milk and water is 8:7. That means initial ratio of milk and water is given as 8:7. 8 plus 7. Initially 8 liters of milk, 7 liters of water. Totally 15 liters of mixture is present according to ratio. But question says totally 90 liters of mixture is present. 15 is becoming 90. 15 into 6 is 90. 8 also multiply by 6. 7 also multiply by 6. Now read the next statement, sir. Next statement says, if some amount of mixture is removed, I am removing some amount of mixture. How much mixture I am removing? How much quantity or how much amount of mixture I am removing? That I don't know as of now. If some amount of mixture is removed, in which 7 liters was water. Now think logically. I am removing some amount of mixture. That means milk and water should be removed. Milk and water should be removed in some quantity. Milk and water should be removed. In what ratio it should be removed? It should be removed in the ratio again. It should again be removed in the ratio of the same 8:7. That is what I told you the concept here before starting this problem. It should be removed in the ratio of 8:7. But question says, that means according to the ratio, 8 liters of milk is removed, 7 liters of water is removed. According to ratio it is. But question also says, in which 7 liter was water. Whatever I am removing, 7 liters was water. According to ratio it is 7 liter water. According to question also it is 7 liter water. So that means 8 liters of milk should also be removed. Can I say that from this initial ratio of 8:7, I am removing 8 liters of milk and I am removing 7 liters of water? Or in simple language, can I say like this, sir? Can I say it as milk and water is, this 15 is multiplied by 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 7 into 6 is 42. From 48, 8 liters of milk is removed. Milk right now is 40. 7 liter of water is removed. Water right now is 35. Now this is what I have done till this point of a time. Read the next statement. And 1 liter of water is added afterwards into the remaining mixture. I am adding 1 liter of water. I am not adding any milk. So final ratio of milk and water should be how much? 40:35 plus 1 is 36, which is nothing but 10:9. Very conceptual way of solving problem. Milk and water are removed in some quantity. In what ratio should they be removed? They should also be removed in the ratio of 8:7. So 8:7 means according to ratio 8 milk is removed, 7 water is removed. Question also says 7 water is removed. Suppose if the question is saying 14 liters of water is removed. Suppose I am just saying an example. Then 7 into 2 is 14. 8 into 2 is 16. I believe that you are able to understand this beautiful way of problem solving. Next question. Now please see your next question. Again a very beautiful question. Listen carefully, sir. Next question. Your question is, when 1 liter of water is added to a mixture of milk and water, the new mixture contains 25% milk. That means initially there was some milk and water. I added 1 liter of water to it. When 1 liter of water is added to a mixture of milk and water, the new mixture contains 25% milk. 25% is milk. Remaining 75% should be water. That means milk and water in the new mixture is 25:75, which is nothing but 1:3. Right? Which is nothing but 1:3. Read the next statement. When 2 liters of milk is added to the new mixture, that means for this new mixture, I am adding 2 liters of milk. When 2 liters of milk is added to the new mixture, the resultant mixture contains 40% milk. 40% milk means remaining 60% should be water. 40:60 is nothing but 2:3. The new mixture now is nothing but 2:3. Now, what is the question? What is the percentage of milk in the original mixture? In the original mixture, what is the percentage of milk is the question. Now see here, sir. Very beautiful way of solving again. Everyone listen to this carefully. Again, a very interesting way of problem solving. Now, if you observe carefully, this bottom part, whatever is there, some more information is given in this bottom part compared to this top part. So let me come from this bottom to top approach in this problem. Let me come from bottom and slowly move up to top in this particular problem. Now what is the meaning of it? Can I say that initially in the second new mixture 1 liter of milk is present, but later it became 2 liter of milk. 1 is becoming 2. That means according to the ratio I added 1 liter. 1 plus 1 is only 2. That means I added 1 liter of milk, but the question says I added 2 liters of milk. I added 1 liter of milk according to ratio, but according to the question I added 2 liters of milk. 1 is becoming 2, multiply by 2. That means entire thing multiply by 2. The same below downward, the bottom part if I write after multiplying by 2, 2 into 1:3, it is 2:6. Next, 2 into 2:3, it is 4:6. Now observe carefully, 2 liter was milk, it became 4 liter. That means you added 2 liters, which is absolutely right what is according to given question. Now, can I also say like this? Think logically, sir. This is where your common sense will be very useful. How you use your brain will actually determine your success in these kind of problems. Can I say that some liter of water was present? I added 1 liter of water and then it became 6 liters of water. When I add 1 liter for something, finally it became 6. That means initially how much was there? Initially 5 liter of water was there and milk was not added. So milk is 2 liters itself, right? Milk is 2 liters itself. Your question is, what is the percentage of milk in the original mixture? Original mixture is nothing but 2:5. That means out of total 2 plus 5, 7 liters, milk concentration is 2 liters. Percentage they are asking 2/7 value in terms of percentage, which I already taught you is 28.5714%. Classical logical way of problem solving.